I bet he was delivering a car to a customer.
I bet he slept through his alarm.
No way he slept through both of them, right? I'm betting his cat got out again.
Guys, what are we doing?
It's 9:01 and Duck is officially late. He's never been late before, so we're taking bets to why.
Really? What's the pot up to?
Looks like we're at about $15 now.
All right, I'm in. I'm going to say he locked his keys in his truck and had to break in. Duck, you are late.
It's like a minute past.
No. You will tell us why you're late and you will tell us now.
I locked my keys in my truck. I had to figure out a way to break in and get them out. What is going on?
Yeah, he called me like 20 minutes ago, told me what was going on. Easy money.